The LitezAll task light with UV flashlight is two very useful tools in one. Let's take a closer look. The battery-powered task light with UV is 7 3/4 inches tall by 1 1/4 inches wide by 1 inch deep. It weighs in at just under 8 ounces and feels very sturdy in hand thanks to its all aerospace-grade aluminum construction. The task light is as versatile as it is durable. It features a front-facing UV inspection flashlight plus 3 wide-angle light modes, all easily selected with one switch. The UV inspection flashlight has a 12-hour runtime. It's very useful in detecting pet stains and other organic fluids, automotive fluid leaks, bed bugs, and scorpions. The UV wavelength is 395 to 400 nanometers. Side beam light modes include high at 400 lumens with a 7.5-hour runtime and 81-foot light throw, low at 150 lumens with a 12-hour runtime, plus an emergency red flashing mode with a 22-hour runtime. The light is powered by 3 AA alkaline batteries, and replacing them is easy. Simply unscrew the battery compartment cap at the base of the light, slide the expired batteries out, and replace them with 3 new AA alkaline batteries, positive or nub end first. Tighten the battery compartment cap snugly, but don't over-tighten. The LitezAll UV task light is equipped with a heavy-duty slotted metal clip. The slots allow you to hang the light on protruding nails or screws, and the clip is flexible enough to accommodate thick pockets on work clothes. An integrated strong magnet at the base of the light holds it firmly in any direction on smooth, metal, rust-free surfaces. The UV task light is built to perform in demanding work situations and is tough enough to withstand the day-to-day rigors of professional use. It's also indispensable for travelers wanting to check motel beds for bed bugs or other uninvited critters.